Hello friends, today we will learn another formula match. Match is return the value of exact position of the subject. The syntax of match formula is equal to match match match, then first bracket what WH what to LWKIG looking for, comma WHERE where to LWK loop, then TYPE type of MATCH and close the bracket. Okay. Here is some data of some students. Okay. Here subject to looking for. Actually, we search for name of the student like David. Okay, DAVID David. Actually, we is looking for which position David has stood. Okay, equal to match match match, then first bracket. Here what to looking for? I am looking for David actually. Okay, and where to look? This from this data, and type of look will be the exact value is 0. For exact match we will put the 0. Okay, and it's return us the 5. Why 5 return? The David is stood for the number of 5 position. LN number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. That's why he returned 5. Okay, and the same formula we can do here, equal to match match. Sorry, first we have to put the criteria. Here we put the criteria 50. Okay, then equal to match match, or to looking for 50, and try to looking for this from this data the exact value. For the exact match we will put the 0 and we close the bracket. Then he returns us here 3, as the 50 is stood as from number of 3. Okay, if we put here 1, here we return as value the 5, as the 1 is greater than data from here. Okay, as the 50 is here, pin number of field 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why he written here 5. Okay, for today friends, that's it. Please subscribe my channel Milestone of Progress for new videos. Thanks a lot watching the video. Have a nice day.